Guys, welcome back to our class. For today's workout, ang gagawin natin, 20 exercise circuit. So, ibig sabihin nun guys, 20 exercise na sunod-sunod. 20 seconds work and 20 seconds rest. So, para ma-challenge yung endurance natin and makaburn tayo ng body fat kahit nasa bahay lang tayo. So, before we do our main workout, mag-mobility stretch muna tayo, 5 exercise para ma-warm up yung mga joints natin at hindi tayo ma-injury dun sa main workout natin. Tara guys, game, start tayo. Okay guys, start tayo sa mobility natin. 6 na exercise, sunod-sunod. So big circles muna tayo, 30 seconds. So 15 seconds na clockwise, then 15 seconds na counterclockwise. Guys, sunod-sunod to ha. So after ng 30 seconds, diretso tayo sa next mobility stretch natin. Reverse. So syempre, mag-mobility tayo para iwas injury. Okay, next natin guys, open close ha. Okay, like this, open close. So open your chest or chest opener. This is 30 seconds also. Then after this, rest tayo for a few seconds, then we will go immediately to our main workout. So, stretch maigi guys ha. Okay, next natin guys is trunk twisting. Tuloy-tuloy. Stretch your trunk, 15 seconds. Okay, next, squat, then butt up. Squat, then butt up. Okay, so like this guys ha. Squat, then scoop up. Okay, next natin guys is put your hands like this, twist, twist, and stand up. Squat, twist, twist, stand up. Squat, twist, twist. Twist, and twist. Okay, rest tayo guys. Lipat tayo dun sa main workout natin. So ayan guys, 15 seconds. Start tayo with the easy cardio, 5 exercise. So 20 rounds to guys, 20 round circuit. Okay, position. First workout natin is light jumping jacks. So light lang. So parang half jack lang to guys ha. So warm up to guys, warm up. Easy cardio.
I wanna be the greatest.
Enjoy the music, guys, and enjoy the workout.
I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I do shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey,
medyo mahaba ba to? 20 rounds guys, na 20 rounds. 20 exercise circuit. Okay, next natin is like this. Open your arms, then close.
If you choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
Okay.
Feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign. A sign.
Let's go.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world
Okay, nga. Next natin is butt kicks tayo. Butt kicks, so like this. Okay, dahan-dahan lang guys ha. Huwag madali. Don't rush.
There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why?
Let's
Pull
go.
back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have
Butt
different
kicks.
burdens that all seem to cause
Let's go.
disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
feel like I'm losing my mind.
Okay, relax. Next natin guys is side to side or skaters. Jump, 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 jump. Okay.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please
Okay,
Lord,
position. Jump, jump. Huwag madali.
The end of the song.
Or skater
Next
to
time
guys,
you sing
skater.
along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on.
Pag hindi kaya to, pwedeng
Society's
ilapag.
a myth.
Pwedeng
Put
ilapag.
there to make you
Pwedeng
sit.
ilapag.
Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut
Pero
your
pag advance,
lid.
pwedeng hindi
Yeah,
nakalapag.
don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run
Okay, relax.
away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like
Next
my
natin
brain is overloaded,
is
man, I'm losing it.
shadow box
Don't
tayo.
let them tell you what
Shadow
to
box.
do, man, they
Shadow
don't
box.
know shit.
Shadow box. Okay. Left and right. Punch left and right. Engage your arms and core.
I feel like I'm losing my
Pwede rin fighting stance or balance
everybody in the world
or fighting stance.
Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Okay, relax. Now, guys, di ba tayo sa may legs? Legs tayo. Baba tayo sa lower body. Okay, first natin, prison squats. Controlled. Okay,
I
up
wanna
and
be the
down.
greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient. Hoping one day I
Hands
blow
here.
up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant.
Down.
I don't need shit
Control.
that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing. Sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown. Get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh.
I feel like
Next natin is reverse lunge.
everybody
One.
in the world blind.
Other side. Alternate.
Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in
Okay.
the world blind?
One at a time.
Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah, there's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different
Let's go.
versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to
Okay.
cause disturbance. Yeah, do me a favor.
Next,
Don't treat me like
sumo
a
pulses.
neighbor. Don't need the
Meaning
different
nun
flavors of your
is half
problems
lang.
just to savor.
Pump lang.
I've got
Okay.
my own issues. I need
Sumo
a tone to
pulses.
get through. Don't need to groan with you. Just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind.
Let's go.
Everybody in the world,
So hindi yan naangat guys ha. Hindi yan naangat.
please, Lord, give
Pulses
me
lang.
a sign, a sign.
Please lang guys.
I feel like
Kayang-kaya
I'm
yan.
losing my
For the goal.
Is everybody in the world blind?
Mawit.
Please, Lord, give me a sign.
Okay, relax. Next natin
That's it,
is
the end of the song.
curtsy
Next time you
lunges.
sing along.
Okay, ang curtsy
Trust
lunges
me,
guys
there's
is
nothing wrong. I
like
just
this,
need to
then
carry on, cause
pasay yung
society's a
steps.
myth. Put there to make you
Pasay.
sit. Listen to what
Para sa
they
hips
give.
natin.
Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid.
Dahan-dahan
I
lang
need
guys,
to
huwag
run
mong madali.
away from this and go
Okay.
get off the grid.
Move.
Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to
Let's
do,
go.
man, they don't know shit.
Easy lang. Let's go. Okay. Next natin is iso hold, then abductors, glutes, lower body. Position. Open. Keep your butt out. Keep your back straight.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you, I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm.
Okay.
Play with me
Next
like
natin
that
guys
tennis.
is sa floor tayo.
You don't understand
Floor
the
tayo.
pain it brings. You don't ever
First
wanna
workout
give me
natin
wings.
is
You don't
dead
ever wanna
bugs.
set me free.
Dead bugs.
You don't I'm addicted to
So like
you.
this.
And it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil
Then-
voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins,
Okay,
pierce
opposite.
my heart straight through. I got issues in my head.
Kabila.
I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
Squeeze your abs. Yan po ang secret dyan. Okay. Woo. Next natin is planking with shoulder taps. Okay. Position. Plank with shoulder taps. Slow lang guys ha. Huwag magmadali. Slow. Engage your core.
And my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion.
Next po natin
Even though
is
I offer all of the solutions. I wish you
hollow
loved me
hold.
like I love you.
So hold
It's
po natin siya dito.
stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel
If di kaya
lucid.
nakabend. Okay.
I wish I
20
wasn't
seconds.
struck
Hands
by
on the side.
Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted.
Okay,
My
hold.
heart's been wounded.
Pwede rin nakabend. Make sure ini-squeeze nyo po yung abs nyo.
Never really
Is-
noticed what you want.
Isometric po ito.
With you I don't ever feel calm.
Pwede rin naka-straight.
I can
Mas
feel the
mahirap.
sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings.
Okay, relax.
You don't ever wanna give me wings.
Next po natin is Russian twist tayo. Russian twist. Like this.
What if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead? Baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nose.
Position guys. Squeeze your core.
What if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead? Then will you get bored again?
Peace lang tayo guys. Mabilis na lang to.
Then will you get bored?
Twist nyo lang po yung upper body nyo.
Then will you get bored?
Okay. And then last po natin is
Then will you get bored?
leg raises. Lower abs.
Then will you get bored?
Position, hands on the side. Side of the butt. Point your toes.
What if I lay down and I play dead?
Okay, go.
Baby,
Squeeze your abs.
sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something
Let's go.
out of my nose.
After this, we'll stand up. We'll finish our style.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored?
Okay guys.
Silhouettes of you
Stand up
like
tayo
a
guys. Stand up.
Never really know just what you want. With you, I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats
First workout
and a
natin
string.
for finishers is high knee
You don't
sprint.
understand the pain
High
of
knee
pain.
sprint.
You
Todo.
don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm
20
addicted
seconds
to
lang to, so
you.
ito
And
nyo na
it's
guys.
twisted, you've been gifted with the evil
Bring your
voodoo.
knees up.
Got me coming back for
Maganda,
more,
mas mataas.
even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like
Okay,
a
next po
test.
natin,
I better
burpees
not
tayo.
text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play
Regular
dead
burpees
and I
lang.
stay dead,
Pero kung kaya nyo with jump, mas maganda.
sick of being the monster out of
So like this po
my
yun ha.
head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nose. But if I
We
lay
jump,
down and
if
I
advance.
play dead and I stay dead,
If not,
then will you get bored?
stand up lang.
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did?
Pero mas maganda may jump.
I don't think you understand what you're doing. And my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you, I'm losing. I feel like
Next
you think that this
is
amusing.
squat
Sitting
jumps po
there
tayo.
gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I
Todo, todo. That's the exercise,
yes.
guys.
Sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you. It's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid.
Soften your knees.
I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel
Please lang, guys.
diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want.
Okay.
With you I don't ever feel
Next
calm.
natin.
I
Touch.
can feel the sweat inside
Touch.
my palm. Play
Last
with
two
me like
exercise.
cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
Hands here.
But if I lay down and I
Go.
play dead
Reach.
and I stay dead, baby,
Other side.
you'll get
Other
sick
side.
of being the monster out of my head, under my bed.
Let's go.
Think you're something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
Now, last natin. Bring your hands up, then one.
Then will you get bored?
Quick yun guys, mabilis yun.
Then will you get bored?
Ah,
Then will you
hands up. Palitan yan guys ha. Jump, jump.
Will you get bored?
Stretch your arms up, then pull. Bring your knees up. Todo yan ha. Last one. Let's go guys. Todo. Ah. So yun guys. Thank you for joining our class. See you again in our next class. And I hope na-enjoy nyo itong workout natin. And if na-enjoy nyo siya, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye guys.